Hello everyone, Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. Hopefully you can see this. It's pretty bright out here, but I have some spots here, and that is salt water from Florida. So you get the beach, or you get you throw in the towel and you don't realize how wet it is. Well, you got some salt stains here, so we're gonna use my my interior cleaner from Superior Image. I have it in my big spray bottle here, and I'm gonna do the bottom part first here. So I'm gonna just put a nice even coat on it, because I want it to suds up. I want it to start working that stain out of there. Then I'm gonna use my light brush. I'm gonna put a little bit on there. We're gonna work it in. And when you get a lot, you'll see it foam up. But this is just working into it. You have a foam pad underneath there, so you really have to saturate it to get it to start sudsing. Remember, when you're attacking a stain, you want to keep going once you start. So we have a spot here. I'm going to keep going. If I need to use another different protectant, I'm going to keep going. So I'm pushing down in with my microfiber to soak up that cleaner, and I'm going to keep lifting the stain up. These little spots here are from the dirty windshield. Little deceiving there. All right, so let's try another layer here. I'm gonna work that one in a little bit. So I don't know what that stain is, but obviously it's dark. Okay, so I'm gonna go get a tannin remover, and that will remove coffee stains, any kind of acid-based stain. So we'll be back. All right, grab some extra dry microfibers. This one's pretty wet. Now I have my Meguiar's Professional Choice Detailer Pro Fiber Rinse and Tannin Stain Remover. So just gonna soak that in there a little bit, let it penetrate the fabric. Work it in there. It's definitely fading it. I don't know exactly what that is, and that's your job as a detailer, to kind of diagnose what the stains are. But as you can see, it's definitely fading it out. And after the seat dries, everything will become lighter, and you'll see a lot more. But I don't see any more of the saltwater stains, but I am going to go over it again. That's really faded that out a lot there, so I'm going to do another hit. I'm going to go grab a little brush real quick. All right, this is Chemical Guys sell these brushes. This is a soft one, and then there's a heavier one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit this a little bit. go a couple different directions, right? I don't want to go too aggressive, right? It's a fabric. You don't want to wear it out, but you want to get that in there. Pretty good. So let's hit it again with the I'm gonna go rinse this off real quick, and then I'm gonna hit the bottom again and we'll see where it comes. I'm gonna wash that windshield real quick so we can see some good results here. All right, camera magic. Let's hit it again. And a lot of detailers will say, oh, I don't like to saturate too much, and that's true. So you don't have to go this much cleaner. A lot of times it's not necessary to put this much on because, you know, yeah, you're gonna get that seat super wet, and a lot of details are mobile and they don't want to have a big seat, wet seat, but I'm not mobile. Every time I've used this technique, where there's stains, no one has said, oh, that came back. You know, it's stayed gone. A lot of times you could have a big stain in here and it will, what they call wicking, the stain will keep coming back. You know, get something wet on it, the stain will come back. But I've had a really good success rate with this. As you can see, a little bit of that stain is still there, but I would say about, you know, 90% of it's gone, and it should lighten up a lot more when the seat dries. So looks like that salt stain came out. Any other questions, shoot me an email at detailinginttempe@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button. I appreciate everybody's support. Have a great day.